another short video about FuseMetrix from Web Office Systems. Today I'm going to show you how to import data into FuseMetrix, and we do that via the Import Data menu item. Depending on the setup, this may be a sub-menu item in something like Admin, but in this case it's a menu item. So I'm going to click on Import Data, and I'm going to choose what type of data I want to import. We have a number of different files here that we can upload. In this case I'm going to upload some contact detail. The first thing I need to do is browse to the file that I want to upload. So I click Choose File and then select the file that you want to upload. The format does have to be a CSV file. This is quite a common format for exporting out of other systems, or you can save a spreadsheet as a CSV file. The next thing to do is to upload that file onto our servers in the cloud. So you click Upload, and you now see I have the file ready to import. So I click on the Import link, and I'm going to decide where it's going to go. We only have two phone books here, customers and suppliers. You may have others that have been created for you. And I can choose whether it's an import or an update. In this case it's going to be an import. I click on Next, and I'm able to now select how much of this spreadsheet I want to be able to see. I'm just looking at the first 5 rows here. If I select the Ignore First Row, it will take that out. It's quite useful to have that when you're mapping the fields. As you can see here, I've got these data here, but I'm going to take that out afterwards. I'm going to create a company where one doesn't exist already, and I can check other data as well. So for example, check to see whether the name and the postcode match first when assigning a contact. It's quite a good one to tick. And if a contact is linked to a company, make the company's main contact, which I'll do as well. So I can actually use the mapping of a previous import, but this is going to be a fresh one I'm going to do. And obviously I want to, in this case, ignore contact duplicates based on the first and last name and postcode, so I'll select that just in case. So I now go through and map the fields in my FuseMetrix system to the fields in the spreadsheet. And we're just going to do a few to give you an idea. The first one is going to be company name, address line 1, address line 2, etc. If your spreadsheet has a number of fields, then these will all appear along here. And if you have any fields that are specific and not standard fields, you will need to create these as extra info fields in the relevant section of FuseMetrix. In this case, I've created a field called venue. Once I've done all of that, I can click the Import button. Depending on the file size, depending on how long that takes to map. But you see this one has come up and has indeed reported no errors. And when I go back, you can now see that this one is uploaded. If I make a mistake, I can undo the import and I can delete it and start again. But that's worked fine. So if I go to my contacts now and companies, you'll see some of these fields that I've created. Thank you very much for watching. We'll be back with another short video about FuseMetrix soon.